If we're looking for an affordable hotel na may luxury feeling here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, na may overlooking view ng famous KL Tower, rooftop pool, and also merong spot ng Petronas Twin Tower, this video is perfect for you. Pero bago kumpisahan ng video na to, kung di nyo pa ako kilala, my name is Josh Aragon at gumagawa ko ng travel and budget tips dito sa aking social media accounts at make sure naka-follow kayo. So yun na nga mga bestie, in this video, isi-share ko sa inyo yung na-discover kong affordable hotel dito sa Kuala Lumpur na super ganda talaga niya mga bestie at murang halaga lang. Gusto mo malaman, ito yon. Dito yon sa Ceylon Suites in Bukit Bintang. 'Di ba? Alam naman natin Bukit Bintang, lahat talaga nandun na. Mga shopping malls, mga attractions, andun na lahat. Gusto niyo ng room tour? Ito na. Ibibigay ko sa inyo. Itong Ceylon Suites is located mismo sa heart ng Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, which is the Bukit Bintang area, wherein dito niyo makikita yung mga famous shopping malls like Pavilion Mall, Fahrenheit 88, and marami pang iba. Nag-book ako ng executive room for as low as 1,900 pesos per night. Good for 2 packs na siya mga bestie. And lahat ng hotel amenities pwede mo na magamit for free. But disclaimer besties, that hotel prices are subject to change timely, so better book early for cheap rates. Yung executive room meron working table, 55 inches smart TV, kitchen area na may induction cooker, microwave oven at mga utensils. Malinis din yung kanilang restroom at higit sa lahat yung pinaka-favorite ko is yung view ng KL Tower and Petronas Twin Tower paggabi na dito sa room ko. So proceed naman tayo sa kanilang hotel amenities. Meron silang rooftop pool na may overlooking view ng KL Tower na open for all guests, rooftop garden and indoor gym na pwede yung gamitin for free basta naka-check-in kayo sa Ceylon Suites. Isa pa sa nagustuhan ko sa room na to is comfy and homey yung feeling ng kanilang mga rooms. Perfect talaga siya if you're looking for an affordable hotel pero luxury yung style in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So if you're asking me saan ko na-book tong hotel na to, I booked this hotel to Agoda na may magandang payment terms, and if you want to book this hotel, ilalagay ko yung listing nila sa screen and you can use my Agoda code JoshAlagoda for up to 10% off discount. So that's it, traveling bestie, sa ating hotel review dito sa Ceylon Suites, Bukit Bintang. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng sign para i-book tong hotel na to, this is the sign mga bestie, at i-book mo na to for your next Kuala Lumpur trip. So if you want more of this travel and budget tips, you can follow me on all my social media accounts. Yun lang, God bless and thank you so much for watching. Bye!